Hi and welcome, I'm GC, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to add a shopping cart to your website. So what I'll do, I'll leave you a link in the description, and then when I publish this page you'll be able to find it live online. And then in the future, if you're interested in how the shopping cart works, then there will be further videos on how to actually set up the shopping cart. So first of all, if you've got an account with us, then log into your hosting account. And then what you'll need to do is go to your editing control panel and then select the page that you want to add your shopping cart. And then obviously follow this video. And then further videos will be added to this page so you can learn how to do different things. If you've not gotten an account with us and you might be interested in setting up a website, then if you click this link here, that will then take you over to the hosting website, and we're offering a 30-day free trial, so you can have a look at that if you're interested. If you're not interested in an hosting account as yet, but you would like to see how the actual creating tool works, then what you can do is click on this link here, and by following this video you will be able to add a shopping cart in on the actual demo. So to actually add the shopping cart is very simple. All you'll need to do is click on apps and then click on shop. Now when you've done that and saved it, then what will happen is your page will look like this, and this is the module for your shopping cart. And what I'll do in other videos, if I just click on here and we look under configuration, and what I'll do is I'll go over how to add your products, your orders. We can actually look at how the customer is emailed after purchase of products. I'll show you the payment methods, delivery methods, how to set up your email messages as well. And basically what I'll do, I'll just go through all this step by step, so it'll make it easy for you to actually add it to your website. And after you've done or added anything, you just refresh the page, and then what that will do, that'll add that live on the internet for you. So anyway, this is just a quick video just to show you how to add the shopping cart, and then you'll be able to come back here and look at other videos on how to actually do other simple things to your website. Anyway, thanks for looking, and I'll see you on the next video.